The budget coming soon. Prime Minister's meeting with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and economists now begins. Meeting on the upcoming budget in Niti Aayog. The final touches there of the budget is currently being discussed. Of course, this is expected to be a common man's budget. And dates have already been announced. It's going to be next Tuesday when the budget will be announced. We see economists meeting on that budget to give it final touches. Prime Minister Modi and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman meeting today, and they're going to be discussing on some details of the budget, which is expected to be a common man's budget. This union budget is going to have a lot of expectations as it's coming for the first right after NDA 3.0 takes over. Union budget has expectations. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is all set to present it. Specifically, dates given are July 23rd, 11 a.m. That's the time when the budget will be announced. Now, we know that this is going to be an important budget as the recently held Lok Sabha elections. BJP did not secure an absolute majority under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. Of course, they are right now dependent on allies. So it's going to be very interesting to see key allies and their demands. Will that be fulfilled in this budget? Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP, Nitish Kumar of the JDU, both have made their request of a special package, financial aid package. Will that feature in this time's budget? Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live, tracking the BJP for us. Aishwarya, please elaborate for us what's expected in this budget. Why is it significant? More importantly, will the NDA, the BJP Finance Minister herself, cater to the allies' demands through this budget?
Well, definitely, Nabila, we will see that some of the demands which have been made by the allies, specifically by the TDP, that is Chandrababu Naidu, some of those demands will definitely be fulfilled, because it is Chandrababu Naidu who's been speaking continuously, not just with FF, Nirmala Sitharaman, but also with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And one of the key focus areas this time, Nabila, in this election will be the middle class. Let me tell you, this is what we are understanding from our sources in the finance ministry, that something for the middle class will definitely be done. And policies, if we speak on the policy front, then policies which will actually push growth, push investment, that's also something which will be the focus. Prime Minister Nabila, time and again, have been speaking about the fact that from the top 5 economies of the world, over the next 5 years, India now has to be in the top 3 economies of the world. So with regards to that, policies also we will see coming up in this budget. So all those things will be looked after. The very crucial meeting, let me tell you, Nabila, between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, along with the economist and also the top officials of the finance ministry at the moment, is underway at the Niti Aayog.
All right. Now, the date that's been mentioned is 23rd of July, 11 a.m. That's the time when the budget will be announced. So we're looking at a meeting with the economists much in advance. What kind of final touches do we know? Anything on the agenda at this meeting that's currently underway that we know of? Aishwarya.
Well, let me tell you, Nabila, the meeting actually, from all the various phases, we see, all the various spheres that we see. Nirmala Sitharaman has been holding meetings for almost the past 20 days. And now as the budget day is coming closer, we are seeing the final touches being made, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also, and he's been doing so over the past 10 years, giving his input in what needs to be added in the budget. So that's also something that will take place today. And let me tell you, Nabila, what happens is, the next week, which is the most crucial week, that's the time when the entire finance ministry, is completely shut off. The officers who are inside, they work inside, and no one is allowed to step in or step out. So this meeting is, sort of the last meeting that will now take place. After this, the final budget draft will be made, and then we will see, the final budget being presented on the 23rd of July. But yes, keeping the middle class is something, the core will be middle class, policies will be made, and the focus will be to make sure that there is push for more money and there is push for FDI also. So those are some of the things that we will see in the budget, which will be presented.
Thanks very much. Of course, we're going to keep our focus on this. Any details expected first on India Today?